Hello Python programmers, this is Eki. In this video we are going to visualize the Covid-19 data through the Plotly library in Python. In Plotly we are going to use choropleth map feature to display the Covid-19 data. So we need to import some libraries for doing this process, and let's start this video. First you need to import the pandas library for reading the CSV file. I already downloaded the CSV file from the official WHO website. You can easily download this dataset from there, otherwise I will provide the link in the description or Telegram. After importing the pandas, create a variable called as data, and in this variable you need to give your dataset file path. Next, create a variable called as group by. In this variable we are going to grouping the data by country wise format. Why we are using this step means it is very easier to understand the data in the data set. After doing this process, you need to print your current data set to check whether our process is updated here or not. Okay, so groupby.head is used to view the latest changes that present in our data set. Next, we are going to drop some useless columns from the data set. So create a variable called as cases, and in this variable we are going to drop 5 useless columns, that is country code, cumulative deaths, WHO region, new cases and new deaths. And note that this is only for the cases condition. You need to do the same thing in the variable deaths. In this variable you need to make one slight change, that is you need to drop the cumulative cases instead of cumulative deaths column. Okay, after dropping the data, kindly check the changes that we made in the data set. Now we finished all the data cleaning process. Next we need to visualize these two variables using Plotly library. We are using choropleth map feature in Plotly, so you need to use that object in our visualization process. Import the required packages from the Plotly library and create a variable called as cases map. In this variable we are going to plot the COVID cases only through the choropleth maps. Okay, so write go.figure. This is an object. In this object you need to give the parameters like locations, cases data that you want to plot, and location mode, color scale, color bar title. Kindly check the choropleth documentation. They already provide the detailed explanation of parameters that we used here. It will take long time to explain each and every parameters that I used here. So simply go through this website. This is their official website. You can easily understand by reading the documentation. After providing the data, we need to customize the map layout. It is easy for the data visualization process. So initiate object casesmap.update, and in this object you need to give the parameters to customize our map layout. Pass the parameters like title text, coastlines, projection type and annotations. And you need to turn off some features to get a better visualization of our data. So turn off the features like coastlines and geo. Okay. And finally plot the cases data, so you will get this kind of map feature in your browser. And if you want to know about any COVID-19 cases of your particular country, just tap the country in the map. You will get the COVID-19 cases data of a particular country. So this is the use of choropleth maps in Plotly, and it is used to understand the data more clearly for each and every person. If you want to plot the death ratios data, you simply call the variable deaths instead of cases variable. I think you will understand this step. That's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.